It's 8:30 a.m. You open your phone, still half asleep. One email notification pops up, account status update, you open it. Due to efficiency optimization, your role is no longer required. This decision was made by our automated system. No manager, no warning, no human, just AI. And in that moment, one question hits your mind. Is this how it begins? Next year, will AI win or will humans survive? Stay with me because this story might be your story. Welcome back to our channel AI Aura. Today's video is not just information. It's a warning about a future that is not coming, but already knocking on our door. Everyone is asking the same question, AI versus human, who will win next year? But before we answer that, you need to understand how we reached here. AI didn't arrive with noise. It arrived silently. First, it helped us. Autocorrect, recommendations, chatbots. We laughed and said, relax. It's just software. But while we were sleeping, AI was learning. Today, AI can diagnose diseases, write stories, and music design logos and videos, replace entire teams overnight. AI never sleeps, never complains, never asks for a raise. For companies, AI is not emotional, it's perfect. That's why one by one, jobs disappeared, offices became empty, humans became optional, and the scariest part, AI doesn't hate humans, it just doesn't need them. The human advantage, what AI can't copy, but this is not the end. Because humans carry something no machine can ever download, experience. A mother senses when something is wrong with her child without data. A leader feels tension in a room without charts or numbers. A creator turns pain into purpose and emotion into art. AI can replicate patterns, but it cannot feel meaning. AI can generate words, but it cannot understand why they matter. And this is where humans fight back. Next year, the real winner revealed. So, who wins next year? Here's the twist. It's not AI alone. It's not humans alone. The real winner is the human who controls AI. Next year, lazy humans will lose, adaptable humans will rise to, people will stand side by side. One says, AI will replace me. The other says, AI will work for me. Only one survives. Your choice: upgrade or disappear right now. You are at a crossroads. You can ignore AI, fear AI, or master AI. Learn how to give AI commands, automate work, multiply your productivity. Because remember this, AI doesn't replace humans. Humans who use AI replace those who don't. The final question: 1 year from now, you will look back at this moment and you'll remember this question: did I adapt? Or did I wait? The future is not written by machines. It is written by humans who know how to use them. So tell me in the comments, are you ready to control AI or be controlled by it? Like, subscribe, and stay awake because the future is already here.